Hi, I'm Ted Moyer, owner of Moyer's Automotive in Pocono Lake, Pennsylvania. I have lived here since 1988, and my wife Jennifer and I have 4 children, ages 6 to 19. Many of my customers are also my friends and have trusted me to service their car care needs for nearly 30 years. If you are looking for a full-service repair shop, consider giving us a shot. We have a comfortable waiting room, friendly staff, and most of all, honest service, which is very hard to find today. Give us a shot, you won't be disappointed. Thank you.